Yes. Anyone no home. Meno otiwa. Obiwa. God's power no yet dokpaji. Never yande Oleti International.
Yes, so music.
Wayabe. Wabege eni awe. Ma be pe moto. Weni ma pe digital. Go be la pe o. Go be je o. C'est non mon gouvernement. Et is black man. Que no viens là mais oh. Eh comment que no pega pa no raíve garra. Na we no we go que was so wa. Jore, ọma jore, amawe no wagajo, every tiwa. So posaga puja nuwege tuwe sowa. Avoka no bije, emi na gogojo, egi fowo kuma. Ebe ni masi wonye mena. Viate mama eji ebe ni masi wonye mena viate mama eji soko sabakwe is black production is black production où est-ce le pema production, et is black production. Ouais, c'est le premier. Ọmọ náà kú wẹ́kí á ní. Ọmọ náà wẹ́kí á ní. Òbí yẹn kíkà wẹ̀ o. Ọmọ náà kú ìmáàkí á ní. Ọmọ náà kú ìmáàkí á ní. Òbí yẹn kíkà ẹ̀ máa o. Go be effectivement, no viera oh. kedera mo wanya wasowa wanya wasowa o wanya wasowa blacky kedera mo blacky kedera mo wese waya wa wese Afiota, Ijari, Mamelu Wakaya Sowa. Il y a domaine ici, il y a domaine Rowa. Ijari, Mamelu Wakaya Sowa. Est-ce que le bouillet vous donne? Nevoyate oleti international. Obia wo sini megi aga sugone e wo si magi depe. Simoni de Duz. Eko nu ekeriere. Asemoto. Eko nu ekeriere. Baba egedi oyi. Eisla production. Uesebe peme. Ijari. Amenu ekajore. wá wú mẹ́ ẹni mẹ́ tó pọ̀ mẹ́jì ẹ̀yìn ọmọ ìdọ̀bà ẹ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn ọmọ nọ́kọ̀ má yẹ sí ọkọ̀ mi pé ẹ̀yìn Jésù má yẹ pé ma ọ̀pá bọ̀ wí Jésù adé ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ dúró mẹ́ ẹni mẹ́ tó pọ̀ mẹ́jì wáyàwó ẹ̀sẹ̀ o wá ní wí yóò kọ̀ mẹ́ o ìlànà mẹ́ wùwá tó ìjẹ́ rẹ̀ wùwá tó ènìyàn wá ní wíwá òjà tọ́ka láláyọ̀ o ìyòwò wa ní wàá bákù ìyàwó ìdúró wà tó ṣẹ́. Kókó! Èèmà ní ìwì yóò bọ̀ mẹ́ o. Èèmà ní ìwì yóò bọ̀ mẹ́. Wájídé kí yé pé. Wájídé kò kí yẹ. Adora, ije me lokio. Eli adora, ije me lokio. Eli adora, ije me lokio. Prato City, Evanu Weshe. Prato City, Evanu Weshe. Oleti, ọwé na wu wedoro. Oleti, ọwé na wu wedoro. Eli ije me, wese wepe me. Wẹ́sẹ̀ wégbè mẹ́ o, àgbọ̀bí ẹni rà mẹ́, wẹ́sẹ̀ wégbè mẹ́, ẹsẹ̀ ìwẹ̀ wù mẹ́, ẹni mẹ́ tó pọ̀ mẹ́ sí. Àgbọ̀bí ẹni rà mẹ́, wẹ́sẹ̀ wégbè mẹ́, àgbọ̀bí ẹni rà mẹ́, wẹ́sẹ̀ wégbè mẹ́ o. Níbi kò lọ, ó jẹ́ mi nà, níbi kò lọ, ó jẹ́ mi nà o, wẹ́sẹ̀. Ó dá o, èèmà ní ìwé o mẹ́ o. Eli adora, ije me lokio. Happy birthday to you, Eli adora. 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 Mama mi le, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mama mi le, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mi le met, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mama mi le met, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Oh, happy birthday to you, oh, happy birthday to you. Wẹ̀jẹ̀ ògbóná nẹ, ó pé wẹ̀jẹ̀ wo. Wẹ̀jẹ̀ ògbóná nẹ, ó pé wẹ̀jẹ̀ wù. Mama mi let, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mama mi let, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mama Mary met, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Mama Mary met, ọwé na wú wẹ̀ tó o. Oh, happy birthday to you, oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, go! Èèmà ní ìwì yóò bọ̀ mẹ́ o. Èèmà ní ìwì yóò bọ̀ mẹ́. Wájídé kí èké. Wájídé kò kí ẹ. Ice! Ekwe! Ekwe o! Ekwe o! Ekwe! Ekwe o! Ekwe o! Oh, 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 oh. Ekwe o! Ekwe o! Ekwe o! Oh, oh, oh. Ole congratulations, invited in Malago. Jehovah make us away when there is no go. Tami o, ebi go saka ewu ebi no one. Awu c'est nos bords. Aucun accord qui n'a pas combien. Au revoir dans le temps. Et madame, la gueule, il voit que le corps a quoi, bien qu'à avoir les bébés, la pierre. Au tout le temps, quand il know, they don't get that's so. Ekwe, 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 oh, oh, oh. Ekwe, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ace Black. I'm a film producer, film director, musical shooting, whatever concerning entertainment. If you want to do a marriage, can call on us. We are there for you. And I'm the owner of Ace Black TV on YouTube. The reason why I came to do this interview today is that I came up with an idea, with a new platform, showcasing your talent. Because we have a lot of talent in Edo State, and they are being hidden because of no help, no support, no finance. We are the ones doing our things on our own. They are all indoor. So I came up with this idea, showcasing your talent for our people in diaspora, for them to know that we have a lot of talent in there, in Edo State. For them to know that we have raw talent. So I decided to come up with this new platform, showcase your talent. And I bring out people, some young artists to come and perform. And when they perform, I pay the instrumentalists, I pay the engineer who came to record the sound, so that you will hear good sound and feel the good music. And the issue is this. This platform involves money. And the issue involves money. Because whatever artist that came to perform, I paid the instrumentalists, I paid the engineer for the sound. Me alone cannot do this. That's why I'm calling the general public, lover of music, my Edo people. Please, we need your support. We need your help. We need your promo. Because I know with this, Edo music is going far. Please, you cannot support financially. When you see the job, please, you can also share the job. We just started this thing in Benin now. From Benin, we can still go to Ishan. From Isan, we go to Auchi. Just like that. The platform is for Edo State artists. Please, you will see my account number on your screen. Please, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Please support this project. Support this platform. And if you want to do adverts for your business, you want to do adverts in whatever you do, in your activities, like you want to do birthday, you want to do the advert, you want the artist to use you to sing on the platform, call on us. My number is on the screen. Call on us, write me on WhatsApp. Or you want to do marriage, you want them to talk about the event in the platform, we are there for you to do whatever you want us to do. We need support and we want you to be our sponsor. Please, as you do, we know God will richly bless you. Thank you.